am Dr. Suvarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Today we are going to discuss endometriosis, its site of implantation, how it affects your general health and also sexual health. Endometriosis is a condition where the tissue inside the uterus starts growing outside the uterus as well. So usually the site of these endometriotic tissues are the ovaries, the tubes, outside on the pelvic area, as you can see here. Sometimes the ovaries get stuck to the pelvic area. All these parts can be affected, and each time the endometrium gets ready for a period, that is when there is no implantation after ovulation and there is no embryo that is formed, and then there is a period that's going to come up. This tissue, when it starts to grow and blood supply increases, all these tissues which are present outside also begin to fill up with blood because blood flow increases. And whenever there is a breakthrough bleeding during a period, these tissues which are present outside also start to bleed, which is why the symptoms include pain. So if you have pain during period without endometriosis, imagine pain during period with endometriosis. So these all are bleeding, which means that there is a lot of pain. So dysmenorrhea, which is pain during periods, is very high, and dyspareunia, pain during intercourse, is also very high, because all these are also growing even when periods are not there. These are all distorted in their size and shape, the endometrium and the ovaries, and they are disturbed. They are not where they are supposed to be. Pain during intercourse is also very common. The common causes are hormonal disturbances. Estrogen is responsible for endometriosis. Very high estrogen leads to growth of these tissues also, and it causes bleeding, pain when this tissue also starts to bleed. Now, there are genetic causes also. Some causes are not known as well. So these are the causes of endometriosis. How is it treated? Usually pain is treated by pain medications, NSAIDs, or surgical removal of these tissues is also possible through laparoscopy, and when the uterus is not required, hysterectomy is also conducted. Especially during infertility treatment, it has to be handled with care because estrogen medications also flare up the endometriosis. However, the good news is when this kind of a woman with endometriosis all over conceives, then the estrogen effects comes down, and the effect of endometriosis also is almost gone. So endometriosis is a common problem, but the severity depends on the stages. So if it is grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4 is the highest. Grade 4 means it's present in most places. It has distorted a lot of structures which are inside and is causing infertility as well. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.